Good evening, people. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Hope you all doing pretty well. So, anyways, I'm going to do a rant. I'm going to do a rant on the EAS system. EAS system, Emergency Alert System. I'm pretty sure it's happened to all of us, and we turn on the radio and listen to music and all that. We turn on the FM radio, listen to music, and sometimes we would get the EAS system on the TV. And all of a sudden, it goes, ah, 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 ball. You know, I just freaking hate that so freaking much. It's not even funny. And when I was on my way to work, one day, one of these days, I was listening to my music, and all of a sudden the EAS system came on, the emergency alert system. And you know, those should not exist. Those have been giving me a headache a lot. Yeah. I just freaking hate those. Yeah. It's kind of stupid that this come on, the EAS system. Yeah. And those are things that I really hate. And it's like do a test on the radio, or and all of a sudden they would do it on the TV. Like the TV's on right now. Yeah, you can see that, but yeah, TV's on right now. If that EAS system were ever to go off, it would do it. It would do it right away. And those things drive me absolutely freaking insane. The emergency alert system. And those things are really stupid. And oh yeah. It's been happening since I think it's been happening since when I was a little kid. Back in I think the EAS system has been happening for a very long time. Yeah. So it is. What's the day? It is Thursday, September 19th, about to be Friday, September 20th. So yeah, these EAS systems absolutely drive me freaking insane. Yeah, especially when I'm on my way to work every morning, when I'm not in the mood for going, when I don't feel right, when I'm not in the mood for when I'm not in the mood for a place I don't want to go, which is work. Yeah. I hate those emergency alert systems. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah. Those things freaking suck. Those things are annoying. So freaking annoying. Especially when I have the TV on while I'm sleeping. When I'm laying in bed in the middle of the night. Yeah. I just, yeah. I think I shall be about done with these emergency alert systems. I hate it when they go off. I hate it when they go off, especially when I'm driving down the road, or especially when I'm laying in bed trying to sleep, or wanting the TV on. Yeah. So anyways, please listen very carefully, people. Please do not post negative comments on this video. If you do, you're gonna get offended. So anyways, just don't say something negative. If you don't like this video, well, too bad. You can go to the next video. So, that's my video on the emergency alert systems, EAS system. So, I hope you if you like this video, give this video a fat thumbs up, and hit that like button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, hopefully Hope you all have a great night, and hope you all get some great sleep, get some good sleep. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. It's your boy Nick. Peace.